Alright, today we are unboxing the Umidigi wireless Bluetooth headphones. These are a neckband with Ubeats Bluetooth 5.0. They're waterproof. Let's see, all kinds of good stuff. Charging with a micro USB. Charging time 1.5 hours. Playback time 12 hours. So that's pretty good. All right, let's open this up, shall we? So I picked this up off Amazon for about $24, and if I can open it up here, I will leave a link in the description below as always, so you can check it out yourself. Okay, let's see what we got here. Alright, so that's it for the box. And okay, underneath this, I'll show you the headphones, or the headphones first. It's got this little tape strapped on there. Let's get these guys out of here. Okay. Feels kind of silicone-y. Oh, right. I wonder if these are retractable or not. They don't appear to be. Or are they? Are they retractable? Maybe not. Anyways, okay. So first thoughts, it's got a nice smooth like silicone thing. So it goes around the neck. Obviously these are magnetic because they're sticking together here. So pretty strong magnet there. Alright. So it's going to go around your neck, something like that. That's pretty comfy. And these go on here once they're done. So it's on there pretty good. Probably not going to fall off. I guess these aren't retractable, which is alright. Anyway, so that's that. It has a little charge port right here on the end for the micro USB. Looks like a power and a plus minus cord or button there. What else we got here? Open this little baggie here. And it's probably our micro USB. Wow, that is a short one there. Just that little cord right there. That's all you need for a USB and a micro USB charger. Okay, in this bag, looks like we got two other sizes of the plastic earpieces. I'm sorry, the silicone earpieces, ear covers. And we have a little Umidigi, thanks for choosing us card, and then also the instructions in looks like 6 different languages. So we will be doing a showing you how to hook it up to your Bluetooth and kind of checking it out, doing a review. So this is really flexible. It's fairly lightweight. It appears to be well constructed. It's kind of interesting. So I will be setting these up and doing a review shortly. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, my friends, and we will see you next time.